Okay guys, this was for my May the 4th Be With You giveaway. The prizes were Han Solo Sketch 101 from Solo Star Wars Story and Chris Parsons as Forlom autograph from Star Wars Topps Archive Signatures. So first place will get the Solo, second place will get the Forlom. So we will go... Oh, not lice guys. Sorry. Fat fingers. Okay, there we go. Live. Time 10:42 a.m. Eastern. Go to the random, get the list. There's 49 entries. In. We go 3 times in the clubhouse. It's 10:43 a.m. Eastern. First random. Where does it say? Yeah, there we go. Sorry, 49 items there. 10:43 a.m. Eastern. Second random. So we've gone 3 times. Time 10:43 a.m. Eastern. Good luck, guys. Top 2. Scott Kozlowski is in second. So here we go. Dustin Andrew Benjamin, you're in first. You get the Solo, and Scott Kozlowski, you get the Forlom autograph. So congratulations, guys. We are done. Time 10:44 a.m. Eastern. Thanks, guys.